do you remember what was taught in class? How do you remember the way to your school? What makes you dream? What makes you think of the answer to your teacher's question? How are you able to talk to your friends? Yes, it is your brain that enables you to do this and much more. Your brain controls just about everything you do. If the brain controls just about everything that you do, then it has to be connected to every organ in your body by some means. The spinal cord helps connect the various organs of human body to the brain. It carries messages to and from the arms, legs, and trunk of the body. The structure, like an extension cord that runs down the center of your back, is your spinal cord. The spinal cord and the brain together receive information from all parts of the body and integrate it, and is referred to as the central nervous system. We have a system of nerves arising from the brain and are referred to as the cranial nerves, and another system of nerves arising from the spinal cord referred to as the spinal nerves. Cranial nerves carry messages to and from the ears, eyes, nose, throat, tongue, and skin on your face and scalp. The cranial nerves and spinal nerves together are referred to as the peripheral nervous system. Thus, the communication between the central nervous system and the other parts of the body is facilitated by the peripheral nervous system. The main function of the PNS is to connect the central nervous system CNS to the limbs and organs. The brain has three such major parts or regions, namely the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Different parts of the brain work together. Let us look at these parts and their functions. Take a look at a set of activities shown here. How do these three sets of activities differ? Actions such as answering and taking a decision are examples of voluntary action that require us to think. Actions such as breathing, heartbeats, and digestion of food are involuntary actions that happen even if you do not think about it. Actions such as cycling, balancing, and coordination are actions that require precision of voluntary actions. Different parts of the brain control these different types of actions. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain that constitutes the forebrain. It is associated with functions such as thought, speech, and all voluntary actions. The cerebellum is situated in the base of the brain. The function of cerebellum is to control motor movement, coordination, balance, and equilibrium. In lower classes, when you studied about the bones and joints, you learned about the skull. Can you name an important function of the skull? Yes, the skull protects the brain. The brain sits inside a bony box. Inside the box, the brain is contained in a fluid-filled balloon which provides further shock absorption. Recall the backbone or the vertebral column. It protects the spinal cord.